A while back, one of the old cameras died. I decided I'd buy another old camera, so I got a Panasonic Lumix G85 from eBay. Camera and a lens were like 310 bucks. Look at these pictures. I'm out here brutalizing this camera. This is high sun, striking straight down. Brilliant day. Great pictures. Face off to the left, a little bit out of the sun, and look how blue that sky is. Swing around and shoot the other way and you get more of a powder blue sky. There's just too much light. What a great camera for how little it cost. Good looking clouds rippling on the water. Reflection under the deck. This one might be a little bit soft. Good colors, good dynamic range. This one's soft. You look at the petunias up against the top of the frame and those are sharp. Man, brilliant sunshine. I almost couldn't see the back of the camera. This has been a great investment. I hope the project I got it for turns out as good as these tests.